I'm Ponchang Innocent, and I'll be showing you how to make a photo come to life and talk. All in just 1 minute. Let's get started.
So guys, welcome to this tutorial. So if you're new to this page, kindly follow my page, like this video and watch to learn. Yes, in this particular video, if you're wondering how you can make a picture talk, I'm going to show you in just 1 minute how you can do it. So watch the video till the end and like this video. Please share it. Please, I beg you, follow my page. Thank you. So if you want to make a picture talk, you go and find the picture that you want to use. You find it. Let's say you download it. Maybe you use any picture, but let the picture be a picture that will be showing your face very well. Let's say, for example, let's say like this, my profile picture you can see on my channel here is looking the front camera. So you have to do a picture, use a picture that is looking the first camera, so that the picture should talk and the mouth should be shifting very well. So you have to look for the right picture first. So after you have find the right picture that you want to use, and then you come to this Chrome browser. Although you can able to use another browser, you may use Opera Mini or any other browser. You come over here, you come and search on, say, labai.io. After clicking on this, it will bring you to this page. But if you have never signed up with this page before, it won't show you like this. Let me log out of it to show you how exactly it will show you like this. So you now come to sign up. You click on sign up like this. You put your name, you put your email address, and you put your password. After putting your password, then you click on sign up. After signing up, then you come over, it will sign you in. So you come and see yourself here. It will take you to this particular place like this. Then if you are at this particular place, what you need to do is to click on this try now for free. After click on try now for free, you come over here and click on this particular place. You can see this drag and drop. Click on this choose a file. After clicking on choose a file like this, then it will take you to your gallery. So it will take you to your gallery like this. Then you choose the picture that you want to talk. Let's say, let me choose this Ronaldo picture like this. Then after choosing the picture, you come over here and put the name you want to use. You may use any name that you want to use. Let me just put Ronaldo like this. Then you put the gender. This gender determines the kind of voice that you want. If you put female gender, the voice is going to sound like a woman, but if you put man, it will sound like a man. So let me put man because Ronaldo is a man. So you come over here to this particular script. All this script you are seeing here, just remove them. Just remove all of them. So at this particular point, you put on anything that you want the picture to talk. Let me say good day guys. Good day guys. My name is Bonchine Innocent, and you are welcome to my channel. Please, if you love what I am teaching on this channel, please kindly support me by following my page and share my video to help me grow. So let's just leave it like this. So you have to read it again to see whether you do mistake or not. But if you want to do this, it's better you have already do the script, so before you come over here. So when you come over here, you just paste it. So let me read it again. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you love what I am teaching on this channel, please kindly support me by following my page and share my video to help me grow. Okay, let me say welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so after this you click on proceed. Okay, after proceeding, it will bring you to this particular place. Then you click on continue. Then it will show you congratulations, your video will be generated in few minutes and will be sent to your email. Ready for more features. Upgrade now for inclusive benefit. So go and check your email. Okay, you can see they have sent me on my email. Okay, come to the email now. Let's click on download now. You come and click on download. No, this is not the video. This is not the video. Okay. Okay, here is it. You click on it. Okay, it's downloading. So it has downloaded, so let's open it. Okay, here is our video now. Okay, let's click it.
Good day, guy. My name is Ponching Innocent, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you love what I am teaching on this channel, please kindly support me by following my page and share my video to help me grow.
Okay, guys, see how simple is this? You see, you can do this in less than 1 minute. So this is how to go about it. If you love this video, if you love what I'm teaching you, please help me by following my page. Thank you, guys.